It's 1:05, already feeling like you've had enough. Be my one regret.
It is time for the match. Martin Tyler here to describe it for you with my good friend Alan Smith.
Yeah, hi there Martin. Walking into the ground today, I've just got that feeling it's going to be a really good afternoon.
And today it's Manchester City and they play Real Madrid.
Number 5, John Stone. Number 30, Nicholas Otamendi. Number 3, Danilo. Number 17, Kevin De Bruyne.
One comparison today, Sergio Aguero against Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, Sergio Aguero is known for his pace and he doesn't often not make use of it. As for Cristiano Ronaldo, he is really good in the air, let's face it. There aren't many better than him when the ball is in the air, crosses coming in.
Manchester City's lineup today. Vincent Kompany starts alongside Nicolas Otamendi at the back. Kevin De Bruyne plays alongside Fernandinho in the middle of the park. And they've got plenty of goal threat with two strikers in the attack. It's a real group mentality in this lineup about pressing the opposition into making mistakes and cashing in on it straight away.
Well, it takes a lot of energy, a lot of motivation. It's easy to drop off, and when you do drop off that really aggressive closing down, that's when it can fall down.
I have to say it's always a nostalgic place the Etihad for me to visit, being a lucky lad with a microphone in my hand when Sergio Aguero won the league title in 2012 with the last kick of the 20th Premier League season. And the referee today, Rodolfo Costinha. First half started by Real Madrid. Now here's a chance to get at the opposition. Benzema. Cristiano Ronaldo. Stopped emphatically and just as well. The approach play looked very encouraging. Gets his foot in there. Kevin De Bruyne. Silva. And that's a turnover to the opposition. Carvajal. This manager's not too keen on this kind of play. He'd rather the ball was in the other half and they were playing their football in the opposing half. The home team want more attacking impetus here, and it's quite a drastic thing the manager's doing. He's sending the central defender up front.
Yeah, I mean, he scored some goals in his time, this centre-back, so maybe another one.
Stones. Nicholas Otamendi. Here's Kompany. Silva. Now Danilo. Still got a bit to do, but this is promising. Well, the odds were against him, I think. from that position, and he's not close.
He never looked up there to see if he had a pass on.
Getting bigger and better, I'm sure. Almost every time we come to it, the Etihad Stadium, a new tier opened relatively recently to increase the capacity. And Manchester City enjoying that kind of success that will bring even newer fans to their home.
Yeah, they've shared some great memories here, haven't they?
Manchester City's lineup today. Kyle Walker starts with Danilo as the fullbacks. Fernandinho plays with Kevin De Bruyne in central midfield. It's good to see them going with two strikers today. This is the Real Madrid lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Marcelo starts with Carvajal in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos starts with Luka Modric in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Gabriel Jesus. The throw in from Real Madrid. Marcelo. Here's Casemiro. Toni Kroos. Now Casemiro. Now this looks promising. He's on the move all the time and makes lots of these interceptions. And that goalkeeper can just saunter out and pick that up. Welcome everybody, I'm Martin Tyler and this is the Etihad Stadium. And today it's Manchester City and they play Real Madrid. Manchester City's lineup today. Kyle Walker starts with Danilo as the fullbacks. Kevin De Bruyne plays alongside Fernandinho in the middle of the park, and it's rounded off the team with these two strikers. This is the Real Madrid lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Sergio Ramos plays with Rafael Varane in central defence. Luka Modric starts with Toni Kroos in the centre of the park.
Gabriel Jesus!
Well, sometimes these opportunities can come too early, and maybe this is one of them.
Yeah, maybe just caught cold there. Wasn't expecting the chance to land at his feet and made a mess of it.
Marcelo. Karim Benzema. Manchester City have the ball again. Sergio Aguero coming forward. Maybe for Manchester City. To put them in front. It was well read by the goalkeeper, but he still had no margin for error as he dived on the ball.
Well, you've got to be a good keeper-sweeper these days, haven't you? And he certainly showed that here.
Sergio Ramos. Now Casemiro. Sergio Ramos. Not a high-risk manoeuvre, but slightly risky. Try to keep the ball here and risk losing it in the defensive third. Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now. And shoots! And he's missed the target by some distance in the end. Carvajal. Modric. Kroos. Modric. It's going to be a real target for victory for Real Madrid here. And if they don't get complacent, they should be able to achieve their goals. Sergio Aguero. Gabriel Jesus. With Walker. Oh, the possibility here for Manchester City. Gabriel Jesus. Fernandinho. It's De Bruyne. And in he goes with the tackle. Trying to catch the other team out with a quick break here. Great vision from Ronaldo. Benzema. In really for what seemed a certain opening goal.
Oh dear, I think it's one of those that might play on his mind now for the rest of the match. Well, frustration from the manager, but by the same token, his team are playing well. They might have gone ahead there, but they'll get another chance.
Nicolas Otamendi.
Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack.
Kevin De Bruyne. Good defending. Could be dangerous. Lovely, incisive pass. Bale. And that is a corner for Real Madrid.
Corner swung in.
Well, he's got to... Varane! There's a goal to put them in front.
Well, can they defend this lead now?
And here he was, faced by the goalkeeper. That was the challenge. In you go. Easy as you like.
It looks easy, doesn't it? But I can tell you it's not. You have to be at the top of your game to try it and to convert it.
Real Madrid in front.
Goal for Real Madrid. Number 5.
Kevin De
Rafael
Bruyne.
Varane.
And this is what you expect from Real Madrid.
And that's really the way to get the ball out of the danger zone. It's a good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking. The equaliser here. He's got it away. Karim Benzema. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Modric. And here come Real Madrid.
Neatly intercepted.
Aguero. Now Casemiro. Kroos. Modric.
Always feel watching Real Madrid, Alan, that it is every kid's dream to come and join them. It's a wonderful reputation for attracting the best young talent when they come to the fore in other countries.
Just something magical about that all-white kit. As a kid, I would dream of playing for this side, and any lad is the same.
Well, they're in a good position here. Here's Casemiro.
Taking on the defenders.
Benzema. Benzema!
Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly. And that was such an opportunity. No wonder he's unhappy at that miss.
Kevin De Bruyne. Sergio Aguero.
Now here's a chance to get at the opposition.
Good challenge here. Karim Benzema. Modric. Oh, he's through. Ronaldo away and onside.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 3 minutes of added time.
Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. It's a quick break. Shot off! He's turned it on to the frame of the goal. So it's 1-0 here as the half-time whistle goes. I think that's a good performance, isn't it, Alan, from him in the first half?
Well, he played really well, didn't he? And he got himself a goal to put his team ahead. He'll be pleased with that first 45 minutes.
Lovely, incisive pass. Bale.
It's Manchester City to start this second half.
Good play from Manchester City on the attack now.
Tried to tackle here, and he's done that. Ronaldo looking for room in a wide position.
Modric.
Real Madrid get the corner.
They've gone short with the corner.
Good challenge. Oh, they're pressing in at him. Kevin De Bruyne. This could be an opportunity to break out from the tackle. Now, can he take them on? Well, he'll want to clear his lines here, but make sure it's a bit more than just hoofing it upfield.
Stones.
That's cut out. Goal kick now.
Substitution for Real
Substitution for Real Madrid.
Number 14, Casemiro, to be replaced by number 22, Isco.
They could have got through there, but the defender was absolutely on top of his game.
Good defending. Really trying to use the full width of the pitch here. Cleverly done. Through ball from Aguero. Coming up now, a corner. The ball's just deflected behind for that. Well, there's going to be that change. It always looked likely. And the injured player departs. And the substitute will be bringing fresh legs and a fresh approach to the match. Put in by De Bruyne. Cleared away. Well. Aguero. Now De Bruyne. It was good play until they got that challenge in. Carvajal. Pressed high here. Makes the challenge here. Aguero. Aguero! Oh, what a miss.
Well, what a chance for an equaliser that was. And I think the tension got to him, tightened up.
Coming onto the pitch, Number 42, Yaya Toure.
It's Isco. Carvajal. Benzema. Trying to stretch the opposition using the wider areas here. Carvajal. Neatly intercepted. Break quickly when they get possession. Foul by the Manchester City player. Carvajal. Mateo Kovacic. Benzema. On the attack here. Anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. He's taking a chance, but he's keeping the ball under some pressure. Aguero. Kyle Walker. And that's really the way to get the ball out of the danger zone. Definitely a throw in there. Kyle Walker. Well, he's got support here. Kyle Walker. Pulls it back now. Well, that needed a more subtle touch. He's gone for power and he's nowhere near.
Well, I don't think he kept his head down, actually. Probably thought he'd scored before he'd even hit it.
Here's Isco. Toni Kroos. Mateo Kovacic. Real Madrid looking good with this attack. That will help ease the pressure. Silva. Kevin De Bruyne. Here's Sterling. Nicolas Otamendi. Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. And they're still going backwards all the way to the goalkeeper. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. Lovely ball from Toni Kroos. Just to keep it to beat. Ronaldo. And it's going to be his throw here.
For Manchester City, coming off the pitch.
Substitution time.
Number 5, John Stone. Coming onto the pitch, number 20, Bernardo Silva.
Vincent Kompany. And out wide, they were in a good position until that defender acted very promptly and decisively.
Well, he was in the right place at the right time to cut it out.
Sterling. The equaliser here. That's even better play to stop the chance. The throw in for Real Madrid. Marcelo. Well, he's got the ball back. This could lead to something. Still hope for Manchester City, because there's still time.
Well, this is when you look towards your big players to step up, come to the team's rescue.
Sterling. It's with Yaya Toure. It's De Bruyne. Shots on here. Real Madrid still have a goal in hand. The scoreline hasn't changed for a while. Mateo Kovacic. Bale. To Kovacic. Ronaldo. That's very good defending. They had to get it right, and that defender did it superbly.
Of 3 minutes.
3 minutes, that's what's going to be played for added time. Going forward well. Aguero! It's with Toure. Nicolas Otamendi. That's the final whistle from the referee. Well, he's had a very good game, hasn't he?
Got himself a goal and put in a really good shift. Excellent performance.